হ্যালো, দিস ইজ ঋতব্রত।
হ্যালো, দিস ইজ রিদ্ধি। আর আমরা আজকে ফ্রেন্ডশিপ ডে উপলক্ষে চলে এসেছি টিটুর হয়ে একটা অন ফ্রেন্ডশিপ ডে চ্যাট করার জন্য।
ইয়েস, হ্যাপি ফ্রেন্ডশিপ ডে। এবং আমরা চলে এসেছি, আমাদেরকে কিছু প্রশ্ন দেওয়া হয়েছে, ফিউ কোয়েশ্চেন্স উই আর সাপোজ টু
ইয়া,
আনসার, সো উইল ট্রাই আওয়ার বেস্ট। সো দ্য ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ for the both of us, a common interest you both share. You go first.
ওকে। A common interest, I think it's a very obvious answer. We really share. I mean, cinema or theater is a very obvious answer that that's our common interest. But I think also apart from that, our common interest would be football, maybe.
Yeah, right. Cinema and theater, I guess, are the biggest common interests.
Yeah, perhaps. But yeah.
Definitely. Okay. The second question is one thing we can't. Okay. Oh, one thing we would call each other for at 3 a.m.
Oh, there can be so many things. I can always call Rito Broto after, I mean, at 3 a.m. for discussing relationship issues.
Yeah, same here. Though I don't have any right
Yes.
now at the moment, but yeah, it has been.
Okay, that's controversial. Never mind. Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
this
skip on.
this has
Next
been the
question.
case
Yeah.
for many years. Me calling you up for relationship advice and
Same,
more.
same, same, same.
Yeah.
Including a few days back, we didn't give each other a phone call, but we met at 3 a.m. at some place, and we really had a long
Oh
conversation
yes,
about relationships.
brilliant. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
next one.
Third is a tricky one. Reveal a secret about each other.
Oh, okay. Reveal a secret. I think
Okay.
Rito Broto is a very emotional person because we all know Rito Broto is a very serious person, discussing serious things and everything. But after 1 o'clock, when he does a night stay at my place, so there are lots of memories of him being immensely emotional, and that is one side I'm sure we can see sometime in cinema maybe Rito Broto crying a
Okay.
lot.
Right. And
Yeah.
a secret about him is he's extremely cautious about his hair. He's extremely particular about his skin care.
And then the second part is a lie, but yeah, yeah, I mean,
Okay.
that one, yes.
Now a little bit serious question.
Yeah.
Questions. Few serious questions. Number 4 is name a film of each other's that you like very much. Obviously, I had been very vocal about this, very particular about this to people, that Nagar Kirtan definitely he has been awarded the national
Yeah.
award and a lot of other awards. He deserves all the praise in the world for that film. Nagar Kirtan is definitely his best performance, and
Thank you.
yeah, as an actor, it's his best film.
For Rito Broto, I would say the film Generation Army, which really struck a chord inside me after watching it. That's definitely one of his best performances I've come across. And also, I would like to say a very uncommon film, which I'm sure like a lot of people hasn't watched. That is Porno Muchi. He did a film called Porno Muchi, where the usual Rito Broto we see on screen, that's absolutely different. And I wish a lot more people would have seen it. And the third thing, he's a very prolific stage actor, and that is also I feel very few people can balance stage and camera equally, and I feel Rito Broto is one of the people in our generation who does that seamlessly and effortlessly.
Thank you so much. Okay,
It's
interesting
weird
question.
to tell each other
And
thank you anyway.
yeah, uh, interesting question. And advice you gave each other as contemporary budding directors. Okay, so this
As
is interesting
contempt,
because yeah, so
yeah,
I didn't give him an advice per se, but we were
same.
working on this film Cold Fire, his short film 2 years back.
Hmm.
Wow, it's been 2 years. Wow. So two
It's
years
been two
back,
years.
we were working on his film Cold Fire, and before that, I had directed one short bumper. So we were handling the production side of it and managing a lot of things. And he, as
Hmm.
a director, he's very passionate about his work, and does what happens is a little bit of screw up or a little bit of something
Yeah.
which has not happened makes him very, he gets very tensed and he starts freaking out. So one advice I gave him was, yeah,
Calm down.
get it together,
Calm down. Like, get it
calm
together.
down.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
And for Rito Broto, I don't think I have given him any advice till date because we both have really started off this afresh. I mean, it's very new to us, this medium, of direction. So we really need to do a lot of work in order to try out and understand
Right.
whether we are at all good at it. So, but I think what I really admire about him, I would like to say, rather than giving an advice, that he has a fan. He's a man with a plan always. Because I have seen him directing Bumper, his first short film, at a very tender age, and I've never seen him panic. And he always he has a backup plan for everything, and he deals every small problem on set with a lot of calm and a lot of cool. So that is one thing I admire about him when he is directing. That's a side which other people should.
Right. So it's also about mutual growth. We are not directors
Yeah,
per se. We're just trying. Okay.
trying.
One more
Yeah.
thing. The next question that comes up is one thing
Hmm.
you admire most about each other. Go first.
That's a lot of things I would like to say I admire about him. It's very difficult to articulate it in one word. But what I really like about Rito Broto is that he has a lot of integrity, and he is very much sure about who he is, what he wants to be. And that is not just as an actor or as a professional actor. I find him very sorted as a human being. And I think that is more important in today's life, because once you have a philosophy which is guiding you, so that reflects in your work, that reflects in every place, everywhere you go. So it's, for me, he has a very strong philosophy at this very young age. We both are of the same age, so it's rare to find that these days.
Thank you. Lot of things. Okay, so for me, amongst a lot of other things, this will turn into a proper interview if I go on elaborating on this. But
Exactly.
definitely, what inspires me about what the aspect of him which inspires me the most as a friend or as a performer or whatever you call it, is his dedication towards whatever he does, no matter what it is. The amount of effort he puts into it, the amount of concentration he gives towards everything he does, no matter whether I have seen him act, direct, work in other things other than films and theater, plays. I have seen him doing social work and everything. Everything he does it with a lot of honesty and dedication, which is a huge thing to learn, and it's something I still look up to a lot. So
Thank you
the
so much.
last question.
Last
The last
question,
question is what keeps our friendship so strong for so many years? I'll go first. Unpopular
Okay,
opinion.
fine. Okay.
Unpopular
I know
opinion
what
is,
you're going to say. You're stealing my answer. Anyway, tell me.
no. Okay, you go first. I have a different answer.
No, you go first. You go first. Now you go
Okay,
first.
so this is unpopular opinion. What keeps a friendship very strong is not speaking every day, not speaking to each other every day.
Okay,
That's part of the answer. Yeah, Bagita Ball.
No, for me, it's very synonymous to this. It's not about keeping a connect every day. That is one thing I also agree. And another thing, very important thing, is that our ability to criticize each other unabashedly. And it's not about, the friendship is not about merry words and only praises, but it's also about telling each other where both of us are going wrong. And I think that is exactly the reason which has kept our friendship going and will keep our friendship going, I hope.
Yes, and also that was one part answer. I said not speaking every day, because people overrate speaking every day, being in touch a lot.
Yeah.
But I believe if you're good friends, you can meet after years and still have a great conversation.
And you can still start off from where you left. Yes, absolutely.
Exactly. And for us, it has also been the circles we were brought up in, the circles we are in currently, our work, the work we do, and definitely the emotional connect we have. So
absolutely. I totally agree.
That was the end of the question.
So that was it. Thank you, T2, and a very happy
so
friendship day to everybody. And I hope that we are doing this again next year.
Yes, thank you. Happy friendship day, everyone. Good night.
Yeah. Bye.